A pleasant wishes to everyone. Are you frequently suffering from cold, cough, asthma, allergy, or any other respiratory issues? Here is an overwhelming announcement for you all. Ayurvedic free medicine is given on an auspicious day of Margashira Poornima on 26 December 2023. This medicine is provided once in a year in single dose. The medicine is given by our expert Ayurvedic physician Dr. Shobha Itnad at Sharvari Ayurvedic Clinic in Belagavi. The medicine is not bitter in taste, instead, it tastes sweet as it is mainly prepared by using banana. And it is most advantageous as it doesn't have any side effects. And this free medicine is given between age group of 2 years to 75 years. So don't miss this golden opportunity. All you have to do is just get registered yourself. And the last date of registration is 25th December 2023. So what are you still waiting for? Hurry up and get registered. Thank you.